I just want you to hear what this sounds like. This is a Adtran PoE. It's a 48 port power over Ethernet switch. And it's the router modem. Alright, so I turned this thing on in my living room one time when I had to get prepped for a little class inside the house in the living room. This is what it sounds like. Early, 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a jet engine. It just sounds like power. That's some serious wind coming from here. You can fly a kite right here, right now. Throttling down. She reached altitude. The pilot has turned off the fasten seatbelt light. You are now free to move about the cabin. That's your idling speed right there. You're idling now. Crazy.